wala kaming feeling of like, hala, paano na yung next show? It's like just static na, how can we best help Jam? How can she best recovers?
Thank you for asking. I'm okay. I'm on the road to recovery naman. Like, dati kasi hindi ko siya magalaw from this position. But at least now, I can. I mean, yung range of motion niya is there. Pero I'm still working on the strength of it. So I can't tell pa now if I'm able to. But that's the goal. The goal is to be able to play as soon as I can in the best, in the, like, the healthiest way possible. Kasi syempre ayaw din natin yung bibiglain ko yung katawan ko tapos magre-regress yung progress natin. So, yeah, the goal is to do it right. So, to be able to keep playing. So, that's the goal. So, I'm okay. Progress is good. Nakugas na ako ng plato. I've graduated from mugs to plates. So, that's good. Yeah.
Actually, when Jam was first showing signs of wrist pain, ang kulit niya, pinupush niya talagang tumugtog. Like, she really didn't wanna stop until we could really see in her face na todo, like, natatakot siya na it might ruin her wrist for the long term. Honestly, I feel like if it were up to Jam, she'd still be playing and her wrist would be gone by next week. We really pushed for her to figure out what was wrong, to consult with a lot of doctors, with physical therapists, to figure out kung anong condition ba talaga and if it is something that is workable within a short timeline or something that needs a bit more intensive healing. We were really honestly a lot more worried about her health, her longevity with playing kasi we know how much Jam embodies her love for drumming and how much it means to her. Super wala kaming feeling of like, hala, paano na yung next show? It's like just static na, how can we best help Jam? How can she best recover? So, ayun, it was apparently a condition that would take a little bit more intensive healing and rest. So, kung anong mga kaya namin gawin within the meantime. So, thank you to EO for helping us, for Sir Alden for helping us. Yeah.
Actually, may special shoutout ako kay Andrew kasi siya yung sumalo talaga ng drums. In Cebu, he really, like, played the cajon like it was
drum set.
Wild. Like, he, like, sumakit din yung kamay niya. I was worried that, sabi ko, wag mo i-push masyado kasi baka sumunod ka, wag sumunod kasi mawawala yung drums talaga. But like, special shout out talaga kay Andrew kasi siya yung pinakasumalo din. But also, aside from the band also, I really felt the support of the team. Like, everyone din sa team was like, don't worry about playing, don't worry about your health. Put yourself first. Like, this is your time to heal. So I really appreciated every single one of our team. Kasi lahat talaga. Yun na, bibigay ka na bago umiyak.
It just became very real to us how precious our bodies are, how important each one of us are. Kasi even if we could get different drummers to play for us, they don't ever play quite the same way as Jam plays. And we'll never sound the same without Jam. And it just gave us a bit of an eye-opener na hindi kami invincible. Kailangan po natin i-take care ang ating joints, wrists, mag-vitamins, mag-rest, warm up before playing. I think we've been doing this for so long that we didn't really realize how much of a physical job it is. Kasi yung bata namin dati, ngayon, nagkakadad na po, sumasakit yung likod. So, speak for myself daw. Masakit po yung likod ko, masakit po yung tuhod ko. We were able to form, like, when you know how important something is, it kind of makes you closer to the people you experience it with. So, napaka-important sa amin itong family namin, itong band namin, that we really care for each other's health and we make all the steps possible talaga na hindi mawawala yung isa't isa.
Gusto ko rin bigyan ng shoutout yung buong production crew ng tour. Kasi aside from the performance of the band, so many things also have to change around. Yung lighting, yung visuals, yung mixing, lalo na yung mixing kasi we had to essentially parang in layman's terms deconstruct yung drum set. Tapos yung isa tutugtog ng ganito, yung isa tutugtog ng ganito. At saka gusto ko rin I mean, buong time siya na shoutout na si Jam. Pero, yung sa sobrang lupit ni Jam, ginamit niya yung kabilang kamay niya para tumugtog pa rin sa Cebu. So talagang, kumbaga, yung fighting spirit ng kabanda namin sobrang lupit. Parang wala siya dyan. Oo man, sorry. Parang ako nagbibigay lagi ng tribute kay Jam. Kaya nandun yung buong team, yung lighting, yung sounds, talagang everyone worked together to still make the show happen. And I'm very proud to say that's buong team namin.
Tsaka na-amaze din ako kasi ang bilis. Like, when we decided to just go acoustic and, or like, hindi siya acoustic, but like, deconstructed drum set. Parang ang bilis din ng galaw na everyone knew what to do, where to adjust, and how to move forward. So, as an observer of that day, kasi I was just in my head, siyempre, I was just depressed. Pero, like, I was able to observe how everything happened. So, it was amazing to see the team that we've built, and nakaka-proud. Para akong stage mom din. Time na yun, pag pinapanood kasi naiiyak ako.